Ever wonder how Odoo 19 AI fields can make your data smarter? Let's take a look at them in action.
In our previous video, we created an AI agent and added default prompts to assist the restaurant staff. Today, we will continue exploring the powerful AI capabilities in Odoo 19, and in this video, specifically on AI fields in point of sale records. Let's go directly to the point of sale module, select orders, and then customers. All the information about our guests is available in the system. Now I would like to bring your attention to the Odoo 19 navigation panel. From here you can open all orders made by John. Now, instead of manually opening each record, read them, analyze them, I can get a full summary by using AI field feature. Let's say we want to see a short summary of each guest, including how much they spent, their total number of purchases, and top 3 items they bought most often.
Alex, reviewing each guest's orders manually would take a lot of time. Do you think an AI field can help us with this?
Yes, it can definitely help us access the information more quickly. Now let's go back to the guest profile and create AI field. To do that, go to Settings icon and click Edit Properties. Now, add the label name, in our case, Order Summary, choose the field type, and select AI checkbox to activate. Now it's time to add the prompt. In your prompt, if you want to reference a field from Odoo database, simply use a / symbol and search for specific field. It looks like the AI field is ready, so now we can test it. Simply click on the AI field. As you can see, Odoo AI analyzes the guest's purchase history and provides us with the valuable information. In Odoo, the AI fields is a powerful feature that can analyze and combine data to provide quick response. Another great example is creating a food item menu description. With AI field, we can generate a menu style description ideas in just a few seconds. Under general information, you can see a professional menu description that is ready to use. To generate another version, simply click a button and a new description will appear in the field.
And now you can see how Odoo 19 AI fields can automatically generate and enrich data, helping your team save time. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Odoo tips.